Are you bored watching Netflix all day? Are you tired of your parents telling you to do something useful? Do you want to be creative but you don't know how to sing or dance or draw or paint? Well, then, my friend, you're at the right place because even I don't know any of those things. And today, I'm going to teach you one such creative thing that doesn't require any of the above mentioned. So let's get started. Hi guys, my name's Aayushi and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, hi, and if you're old here, thanks for coming back. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you how to make a digital collage on your phone. Okay, so what is a collage? A collage is basically combining different pictures to form a new picture. So next, you'll say, Aayushi, why do you want us to make a collage all of a sudden? So the answer to that is, according to me, collage making is the easiest form of creativity. There is zero skill required. More importantly, there's no rule on what you need to do and what not. So that is why I would suggest everybody to make collages whenever they are free. Okay, point number 3. So what do you need for this? You basically need nothing. You just need an app and some pictures. So if you're planning to publish your art, I would recommend using royalty-free images or images for which you've already taken permission. But if you're doing it for personal use, then Pinterest is the god. So I have a board on Pinterest. The link to my Pinterest is down. I have a board on Pinterest where I have saved my favorite collages. You can go and check that out for inspiration. Otherwise, also normally if you scroll through Pinterest, you'll get many ideas which you can take inspiration from. So now that you've gathered all the inspiration you want of Pinterest, the next is which app do we use? So Photoshop is ideally used, but it's not very user friendly for a beginner. The next comes Procreate, but it's a paid app, plus it's only on iOS, so we rule that out as well. The third one is Over as well as PixArt. These are available on both iOS as well as Android. And the fourth one is GRAPHINOICA, which is only on Android for the moment and is my favorite. I've already made a video about GRAPHINOICA, so go check that out. So now that we are ready with our apps, there is only one thing we need to know about collages, and that is the concept of layers. So before I dive into that, I'll go and get my phone so that I can show you because it's easier that way. So here's the picture I've selected. The first thing we need to do is remove the background. As you can see, it's a little light grayish color, so we need to remove it. You can increase or decrease the size of the eraser as and how you want. And if by mistake you've erased something that you need, using the brush tool right beside the eraser, you can restore that part. So why do we need to erase the background? We do that so that we only have the picture of the girl and anything we put behind her is visible. Okay, so now our picture is done. You can make different types of collages. Some collages are funny, some have a backstory to it. This collage which I'm making for you all is a portrait collage where we will be using flowers and the portrait of this lady to make a new picture. So when you are talking about the pictures, you can either get it from Pinterest as I mentioned before, but I will be using the sticker packs of GRAPHINOICA, so it's easier for you people to also follow. So now coming to the concept of layers, it's actually easier than I make it sound. So it's basically, you see the leaf is on top of the portrait. So now if I want it below, I just hold and press and move it down and it goes down. That's it. So this is the only concept you need to know while making a collage. Again, this flower, hold and down and it goes down. So remember that on GRAPHINOICA, each item automatically goes in a different layer, so it's easier for you to manipulate it. But if you're using any other app, you will have to manually make sure that all of your items are on different layers, so it's easier for you and it's easier to resize it and put it above something or below something. So this is one thing you need to remember. So I know how important your time is, and that's why I'll be showing how to do it on PixArt side by side. Go on the draw option to find layers. These sunflowers are from PixArt itself. If you want to transform it, you'll have to press transform and then only you'll be able to adjust the size on PixArt. Always remember, one rule only, each picture on one layer. So PicsArt allows you to also change the opacity of the layers, and they also have different blend modes. Try it on to see which one goes with your picture. To move the flowers below, just press and drag and it will go under it. So that's all the information you need to use PicsArt for your collages. Some more example for you before and the after picture. These pictures, all the pictures I used are on my Pinterest board by the name of Collage Kit. If you like them, you can go and access these pictures from there, from the board, and use it. Okay, two more examples here. This picture and the next picture, both made on the same app. So looks like a collage is finally done after me chatting for so long. Here's how our final collage looks like. If you like these and try them, please share them with me. That's it for today's video. If you like it, please press the like button. And if you are going to try making collages, please tag me on my Instagram. My Instagram is in the description. And oh wait, do you see? It's red in color. So it's the subscribe button. So please hit that subscribe button so that you get notified whenever I come. And hope to see you next time also. Until then, bye.